So, welcome back to Electrical Prep. So, today we are looking at this Olympiad Math question. This root I is equal to O. This, first of all, we know that I squared t is equal to -1. Okay, so with this, we want to solve for I. Okay, so we know that I will be equal to plus or minus root of -1. Okay. So suppose I squared is equal to A plus BI. Okay, so let's suppose root I is equal to A plus BI. Okay, so with this we want to get the I. Okay, so we have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we need to have I squared is equal to A plus B I squared. Okay, so the square cancel this square root. So we're going to get I is equal to, so with this A plus BI squared is the same as A squared plus BI squared. Okay, so let me bring this so that we know that I is squared, B is squared, okay, plus 2ABI. Okay, now we can also say that I is equal to A squared, A plus B squared multiplied by I squared plus 2ABI. And don't forget, you said that I squared is equal to -1. This I squared is equal to -1. Okay? So we rewrite this expression as I is equal to A squared plus B squared into brackets -1 plus 2AB. Okay. So with this, get I is equal to A squared minus B squared plus 2ABI. Okay. So with this side of the expression give us a real solution, and this side give us an imaginary or complex solution. Okay. So you say that we can rewrite this as 0 plus I is I. Okay, 0 plus I is I, which is equal to A squared minus B squared, okay, plus 2ABI. Okay, so this, we can say that we can equate A squared minus B squared is equal to 0. Okay, so you say that A squared minus B squared is equal to 0. And the other part, which is 2ABI is equal to I. Okay, so you're having these two expressions, right? So let's solve this first. Let's solve here first. You're having 2ABI, so you can divide both sides by I. So you are going to get A 2AB is equal to 1. Okay, so making B the subject here, you have B is equal to 1 on 2A. So now A squared, okay, minus, so now B is 1 on A, so 1 on 2A all squared is equal to 0. Okay, so we have A squared is equal to, sorry, so A squared minus 1 on 4a squared. Okay, this should be equal to 0. So a squared minus 1 on 4a squared is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, you can say that the denominator is 4a squared. Okay, so this one will be to be 4a squared multiplied by a squared minus this place is so 1 times 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so 4a squared times a squared, we are going to get 4a power 4 minus 1, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, so we multiply both sides by 4a squared. So we are going to get 4 multiplied by a is 0.4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to solve for our a. Okay, so we are going to get 4 a is 0.4 is equal to 1. So with this, we can divide both sides by 4. So you say that dividing both sides by 4, and having a is 0.4 is equal to 1 on 4. This, we cancel this, we are going to get a is equal to plus or minus 1 on 2, okay, and which is the same as plus or minus 2 root 2 on 2, okay, so when you rationalize it, so don't forget we said that our b was equal to 1 on 2a, okay, and now we have the value of a, so b is equal to 1 on 2 into bracket plus or minus root of 2 on 2, okay, and this we can rewrite it as b is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by plus or minus with 2 on 2. Okay, these two will cancel this. So we are leaving with b is equal to 1 divided by plus or minus root 2, like this. Okay, so we say that our b is equal to 1 on plus or minus root 2. Okay, and this is the same as b is equal to plus or minus this here. When you rationalize it, we are going to get root 2 on 2. Okay, so we recall our expression, which was root I is equal to a plus bi. Okay, and now our root I is equal to a. A is plus or minus root 2 on 3. Okay. Then this one too, which is plus or minus root 2 on 2i because of this. So we can say that this root I is equal to root 2 on 2 plus or minus root 2 on 2. Okay, root 2 on 2i. So this is our answer for the expression which says I is equal to this. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.